I don't want you to bury me. Please say that you won't, even though that makes you sad. Spread my ashes, don't bury me. Throw me to the wind, that's where I wanna be. Cars in the salt line down the long dirt road. Let the trees see you cry and let me go. If you pray for me, to whomever you like, whatever deity, but don't take me to a funeral parlor. I do not like the atmosphere, I wouldn't want to say goodbye there. Placing sad songs on weeping strings, gather up at my house, take all my things, send me off with a mighty feast, and remember, don't bury me. I don't want you to bury me. Please say that you won't, 'cause that will make me sad.
And when you play a burial song, when your mom's in the audience, you can't look at her. It's really hard. And then because her eyes may well up, and then my eyes will probably start welling up. So, lesson learned.